guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make this infographic design in just 2 minutes. So let's start, but first make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can get this template for free from the link in the description below. So first of all, we're gonna go to shapes and insert this shape in our template, duplicate it and decrease its size, and we're gonna just send it to the back. Next we're gonna duplicate it again and rotate it and then send it to the back. We're gonna do the same fourth time, send it to the back, and we have to make this shape. Now let's change all of the shapes color to one color. I'm gonna go with purple, remove the outline, give them the shadow of the fifth number. Then we're gonna go and add text. So this text is gonna go right here. This is the numbering text. We're gonna put it on corners of each of the specific shape. We're gonna tell that this is each of our specific shape numbering, whatever the infographic number you have. So first we have the first shape, and second, the third, and the fourth, so a total of 4. Now I can't find what alignment to do with this fourth number, so I'm gonna insert a square in the outside shapes, then I'm gonna rotate it. Then we have to insert a title, a huge title. The font I'm gonna use is pretty nice, so you can use the same font if you wish. You can buy this template exactly for free, not buy, but it is for free in that link in the description below. Next, what you have to do is duplicate your text boxes, and we're gonna put them like this. Here we go. Duplicate it again and again. Here we go. Now let's duplicate the slide. Go to the first slide, and we have to use shift key and then put all of the shapes out of our template. I'm gonna take right and left and top for the text, and then we're gonna select both of the slides, give it more transition. So yeah, this is the final result of what we made in this video. But if you like this video, make sure to hit the bell icon and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.